What's up, guys? Adrian Amaral with 911 Gadgets. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you guys for being a subscriber. I love all of you guys. I hope you guys have happy holidays and are ready for some really good food at home with your families. I don't know if I'll be posting a video for New Year's. If I do, I'll see you then. But for now, Happy New Year's too. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be factory resetting this Sunshine Elite T1. Sunshine T1 Elite. It's by Cloud Mobile. This is a friend's tablet. It's for his kid, okay? He bought it and it had a passcode on there. He doesn't know it. So let's go ahead and look at it real quick. It's right here. Normally with Androids, there's got to be some key combinations or button combinations that'll let you bypass that and go ahead and restart it. So hopefully it doesn't have a Google lock on there. If it does, then you're gonna have to reach out to one of our unlocking sources, and you can get those by getting the 5-day curriculum at 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. Get the 5-day curriculum, $39, has all of our sources. You won't regret it. You also get access to our Facebook group, which is our private Facebook group, and it's exclusive just to people who take training. And it has about 800 people now. Real quick. All right, so that's the passcode lock. Let's try, what is it? Maybe down. Let's see if it restarts. If it does restart, you're going to let go of the buttons and click the volume up button. Oh, it looks like it restarted. So, yeah, there you go. It did. Okay, so now you're going to just press the volume up button. There you go. So we got this menu. So again, guys, we went and we held power and down, and that's very common for Android. If that doesn't work, you're going to do power and up, okay? But you hold it until the tablet or the phone turns off. And then as soon as you see it turn off, you let go and you just press up. And you can try different combinations depending on the device, okay? So we're going to go down here. We're going to click on Wipe Data Factory Reset. You're getting a lot of light from back there. Okay, so there it is. Can you see it? Yep, Wipe Data Factory Reset. Click the power button to select it. Then you're gonna go, I mean to press it, or I guess whatever. Then you go to Factory. Where is it? Where is it? Come on. Just do that. Factory Data Reset. Click that power button. Now it's wiping. Okay. And then once that's done, data wipe complete, you're going to go back. It takes you back to that menu. And then I always do the wipe cache partition, all right, after. So I'm going to do that one. Sorry for the camera, guys. It's not really focusing, but you get the idea. So you click that, you hit yes, and then you hit power. There you go. Wipe cache done. That was fast. All right, now we're going to do reboot system now. Okay, that top one. That's going to restart the system. Sorry about the camera again. There you go. So once it's done doing that, it's going to load, okay? This might take a little while here because it's installing the software again or reconfiguring it, whatever. Once that's done, it's going to present you the welcome screen where you start, and that's where you find out if it has Google Lock or not. If it does have Google Lock, it's going to ask you to put in the username for the Gmail. Or, yeah, it's going to do the username and password, or it might ask you to do it with PIN. If it had PIN before, then you can type in the last PIN that was used before you reset it. If you don't know that information, yes, you're going to have to contact one of the unlock sources and get it done for $15 to $35, sometimes $75 depending on the device. But if it doesn't have it, it's going to let you just keep going. After you sign up to Wi-Fi, it's going to let you just keep going and set it up, and it'll be perfect as new. Guys, that's my Merry Christmas gift to you guys watching. Again, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can message us directly at 951-399-7911 or contact at 911gadgets.com. I'll see you guys next year. Peace out.